Hello, welcome back to Grounded. Alma Voice. Anyway, today we're going to be exploring a lab because I want to be able to upgrade my stuff further. Now, researched on what we need to do. First, we need to be able to get this burgle. Well, we need to get the burgle chip from in there to be able to make 2 other labs, but one of the labs we just need to go to this lab. Now, we're gonna need a few stuff to start out with, one of them being fire, gas mask. And almost make, we just need 2 crude rope, which is good. How do I repair you? I need antlion parts. Antlion parts. We only have one. God damn it. Anyway, once we put all this stuff away. Oh, we also made this because to get the chip from over here, these 2 chips, we need to defeat the system manager, which is mini boss. First, that's what we need to do. Let's get to that one. Now, if I'm right, we're gonna need a bunch of arrows, which we already have, and some rat bursts. Great. What do we need to make them again? More of them. We need more fungal growth, more rat chunks. Great. We also need ant bits. So hey, this is gonna be a fun mission. Oh wait, I need the gas mask before I run into there. That could have been bad. Yes. Leo. And the background voice has came.
Sup, dude?
We have been awaiting your arrival. Will you help us upon our quest?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay. Well, that just sucks, but either way, you know what we're doing. Pretty sure it's in here. That's weird how that works. But I'm not going to question it. Oh, wait. Still want that spicy coltan, but we need 10 bug goop. And I don't know everything that makes bug goop. Except from the ox beetles. They hurt a lot. Hope that's something else can give me him. Oh well. So, tech chips. Oh, it's 17 in total. Or it's like going to be 17. Time to check. So we already have 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's only 10, meaning that 7 more is going to be added in the future. That's cool. Anyway, we need gas masks. Now, where will I get the gas masks from? Wait, I already have one. I'm an idiot. This looks weird.
What looks weird?
Wow, this is really weird, but I'm gonna go to Texas. Yay!
What the hell?
I'm from inside of gas mask.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Why did I do that?
Oh no.
Little stuff that blow up.
Why is it not working?
Oh Christ, I didn't think this through.
Hello?
You guys aren't the brightest.
What the hell?
Ow. Aha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
So,
Cha cha.
okay. So,
Okay, I only have 2. Probably gonna need more than 2. There's an amphibian here. I'll cook you when I get home. Either way, pretty sure this is LaHaye area. Which means if we explore here, we can see how many areas there are inside of LaHaye. Places. So grasslands, we still need 10 more. Picnic table, only 4 more. Hedge, 4 more again for grasslands. Does this not class as a workplace? No? That just sucks. I know what liability is.
Like,
And that's disarm you.
oh yeah. Do you want to go on that library one? Wait then. Because I'm a create one.
Yeah, killed it. Killed it.
Yeah, and you could join me if you want.
Boom. Now, what do we
Yeah.
have here?
But I want you to pick a
Currently,
world
we
first.
don't have much. Oh well.
Like, what world
Still
do you
got 5,
want
which
to
is
go
barely
on?
nothing. Maybe 3 bombs.
Yeah, you can only choose one map. So, don't try and
How are
change
you not
it.
dead here?
Yeah, get one chance to
How are you not
determine
dead?
your actual
Oh.
answer.
You're slowly taking damage.
Factor, is that your final
Oh.
decision?
Will you finally tell me
Okay.
about this place? Yeah, the Haze. There's only 4 places in Haze. Does that canister count as one?
When Millie comes, ask her if she wants to play.
Threat was detected.
And then she can pick a map.
Well,
And
we
I'll
want
pick
the
a map
brightest.
And we'll all vote. But whilst we wait for Millie, we can
Oh, well, we got 6.
um
How close am I to the
finger.
Alright.
Yeah, we could go on factory.
Now, we just need 3 eggs. Which won't be that bad. I'm purely just
No,
doing this.
But when
For
Millie
my weapons.
comes,
I'm pretty sure I can only
she
upgrade
can pick a map.
it as. Ooh, I want to kill it so bad. But I know I'd die.
I'm
Right.
waiting for you to join whilst we wait for Millie.
Okay, let's do this.
I know. Come on, join.
Okay. Should mean. Unequip that. Hey, it looks normal again. Great.
Send you an invite.
Well, you don't do much damage now, do you? Yeah, this is so easy. Wow. Should have done this sooner. However, it gas attacks all of my armor. Oh, that's a problem. You know what? Don't matter. Literally just gonna charge into LaHaye's lab anyway, so. Oh well. Plus, I'm pretty sure LaHaye's area doesn't affect my armor.
Do you click on the invite?
Right. Now, here. Bam, bam. We should have infected aphids and infected ants. I want to see them. I want to see that inside the game. But, what did we need? Oh, right, yeah. I want to eat these because otherwise ants take them. You don't really want that.
I went. We can start now.
Literally just gonna charge in there and then
when
run out.
Millie comes, ask her what map she wants to play on if she wants to play. And then I'll pick a map and we can vote.
Remember that giant ladybug that was over here in Sally?
Me and Millie say pick the same map, or Millie picks the same map as you, then we'll go for whichever map has most votes. If we all pick different maps, we all vote on the 3 maps.
2 and 3. Got all.
Lee, don't be grabbing.
Okay. I think I'm safe to get out now. No, I gotta see how much raw science I have.
I want the
Christ. Okay. Pretty sure that won't be enough, so I'm gonna need to complete them quests. Oh, hey.
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now I should be able to craft bombs.
When we've all decided on the map with Miller, we have to wait for each other. We can't go running ahead.
Yep, we can craft 3. Perfect.
I want the wheel.
I just need to find out how to get into there.
Fun bit.
I hate it when stuff find near my house. They think that they can get away. Hiya.
Away.
My turn.
Oh, I just got squished.
I think I do more damage.
Boom.
Bam, 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 bam. Then, recipes. Another one line for later. Go into here. You go to tools. Here we go. Keep going down. Rat burst. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. 2, 3. Bingo. There we go. I think that's everything what we need. Now we can go.
Oh damn! I broke my own body. I got my head stuck in the bars.
Of course, as soon as I've just reset my character. Quickly. Kill me. Don't have all day. I'll take them 2 off. Ouch, but hey, I'm back. Oh, Christ.
Oh, final. Come on, Lee.
Set spawn point.
Where are you?
Did work right, yep.
see ya. I'm going ahead.
Misa died. How sad. Oh well. Now, pretty sure there's a bag inside of yellow rods. Because what I can do is a
I've
debug,
gone ahead.
which summons the bags over here.
But I won't have
And there's a bunch about, so I can't be bothered exploring for all of them.
Not.
And they're all my siblings' packs, so this one is Mikey's.
Since she's not playing,
See, what
though,
do
I
I
don't
want?
have to wait
Want
because
you 100%. Other
This
one,
is
I guess you can
difficult.
just keep it.
I'm usually good at monkey
But
bars.
debug, video game debug for the backpacks, yes. And still Mikey's. How very odd.
God.
Oh well, it's only one backpack and it's up there. Can grab it in the future.
This is gonna hurt.
Anyway. Oh, I need to repair
I
that.
got turned into a warmed up sandwich.
Boom. Bad.
Oh, what's this thing at?
Level 5 tough.
I think
Can only
I
make
got
it
part
my
of
test,
what
so.
we needed to make the thing.
Oh well. Wait, how much damage does you do? 1, 2, 3. Now my crossbow does 1, 2, 3, 4. Could get a crossbow in the future, but
Yay.
as well as upgrading it, I kind of want to keep my bug bow.
Was that you?
So, never liquid rage, but I can't do it. Oh well. What else do I need? You know what? I think I got everything.
Yay. Oh, yes,
I just need to know the
Oh.
location.
My God. Oh, my dear Lord.
Well, then again, I could just charge for it. Look about.
Yes.
Just gonna dodge everything.
You do that way. I'm in a
Literally
weird
gonna
place.
become the bane of Gohan's existence. Dodge. You should have dodged. Ah, Christ. Nope, not happening. Not today. No. No, not happening today. Not today, thank you very much. I should grab the stuff to make a bed. And that's exactly what I'm going to do before I die, 1, 2, boom. I'll place it somewhere inside of the lab so I just spawn back in the lab.
I have a question. When you get the ball, what are you supposed to do with it? Yeah, with your lob.
Clovers. Bingo.
I don't know.
No, because I know that's gonna take a long time to find. Skip until I found.
What to do?
And I
with
found it. And I'm gonna make. Oh, never mind.
There we go.
Boom. Oh, tears.
Leah.
Don't know why
Press
that
the
let me,
button.
but hey. I'm not complaining.
Iron. What for?
Is it
Sorry?
still gassy air? Nope, that's good.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Oh my God, it's shiny. It's mine.
I'll place my bed up here. No land rights. What?
Ow!
What?
Get back!
No land rights, no land rights, no land rights.
Come on now.
So spawn point. No land rights. Just do it right outside of your land. Anyway. I was hoping there was sound to that, but no, there wasn't. It gives me more silence. Oh, nice. Huh. Please don't. Please be close.
I died. I refuse to.
Ow. Oh god, no. No, 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 no.
Oh my god, I survived. No, seriously, I broke the net. Oh.
No, that was horrible.
I fixed it. Wait a minute. I think I can get back up.
Wow. Huh. Granola bars. Nice. There are ones on the ceiling. Just blow me up. Can't blow everything else up too. Exactly. Wait,
I've almost done it.
there's some of the places. Yep, that means there's just 2 less places in the
Where?
hedge. I mean haze, not the hedge. If I was inside the hedge looking inside of here, would have probably died long ago. Well, longer ago.
Almost.
Walk back a bit. And kaboom. One past them. There we go. Through here. Under there. Or maybe not. How am I meant to go? Alright. Follow the wires.
Oh my god.
They lead me back. It was fully overrun, wasn't it? Ah, yes.
Damn it. Thank you. I died.
One at a time I can do. Ow. I had food, didn't I? Yes, I did. And it heals. Ow. Never mind, I got dominated by lava. Wait, why don't I just throw my armor on?
Bye.
That would have been smart. I'm not that bright now, am I?
I'm actually going in with this one. Come on, Lee. Lee, can you watch my hands, please?
Close, close. No.
Who?
Hey, didn't it close?
Who? Who is this?
Bam, bam, bam.
Get one. Oh no, he survived. Oh, but because he survived, they got no. You're coming with me, laddie.
It may take a while, but slowly, but surely.
Wait, I have an idea. Like, go on then. Go ahead. Go this way. Wait. Wait, what's that? Is it? Bro.
Joke's on you guys. Because I got a bow and arrow that's helping a lot. I'm gonna need to go back to the Sizzly place to get some of the armor back, but I don't really feel like doing that because that almost murdered me last time, but
I'll get his arms. Ow! Wait. Stop water. You sure you don't want to go on Minecraft for a bit and we'll come back on this?
okay.
Good while we last.
I'm losing my armor, but I'm also losing my mind. Overall, it's good. If it gets close, then I'll kill it. I'm sorry for not commenting. I was trying to focus on not dying. Come on. Keep going.
Lee. We're sending you an invite, and the maximum players able to join is 2, so that's
Oh yeah, this is the way to do it. Just cheese it off,
I forgot to pick one.
because it can't send you through there, because it's an idiot.
Oh yeah, can you do me a favour?
Boom.
Throw always.
Duffel Trussel.
What's that?
Oh, I'm pretty sure I know what that one does.
Hey.
That one, if
No.
I'm not mistaken, means
I
that
want
if
you
I attack something
to
with my
let me get
fists,
in it, and then
it has
close
a
the
chance
lid
to
and push it up.
explode.
Close the lid.
Get close. Back up. Drop the hell
The
out
lid
of it.
has to be closed.
Oh dears. Oh yeah. That only took me a bit.
Almost. Oh.
Ah, you gotta be joking me.
Do over.
You know what? Can't be bothered with these guys. We got the Haze Super Chip. Ah, it's Super Chip. That's nice. Wait, what's that thing?
I got
Right
an
there.
achievement for riding in the bin.
Explosive resist minus. Reduces your resistance to taking damage. Either way. Pretty sure this one, yeah, double truffle. The fungus of haze has seeped into your tiny being, lending its power to your unarmed attacks. So yeah, sometimes my attacks will blow up. Should probably put this on. Oh well. I need to go back to the desert area either way, so might as well just, oh, wait. If I go over there, I need some spicy stuff, so I'm gonna be taking down a lot of flea things anyway. So, now that I got what I wanted, I'm out of here. And to Burgle.
Wait, what
Magical
did you do?
time scale. Okay, since I felt like I'm here, and I might as well, gonna explore inside of here, making sure I have the right stuff. Poison guard, yup. Stamina and Berserker. Why? Because I need it. Also, I'm gonna set my spawn point before I die.
I don't want any trouble, Ed.
Have we still not? Oh thank God, still not respawn.
What you got now?
Leo, let me destroy that house.
Oh, crap. That means... No, don't follow me.
You have to not come in.
Ah, milk molar. Ah. Bam. Oh, yes. Any of her places. Is that the only place? Seems to be the only place. Anyway.
What?
To Burgle. You should be just around the corner. Yes.
Yeah, sure. No.
Which means I'm going to end this video after I have got the chip to Burgle and bought stuff.
Always happy to see a repeat.
Found Burgle chip.
See ya!
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Do you have any work for me? Gotta find the sunken treasure Burgle chip. Go abandon the 2 chip hunts. Because they irritate
I'll
me.
let you pick one level.
Okay, now should be right here.
Yes.
Which means I'll be able to make an oven. Yes. So I've seen something to do with acorns. Acorn shovel upgrade. Nah, might as well. Anyway, this is where I leave. Goodbye.